How to record payments and apply them to invoices. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho book, and if we head over to invoice on sales, you would notice that there's a receipt that is due today. Now we're going to be recording this payment and we'll see how it's going to apply on the invoice. Now we want to head over to payment received. Go to the top right hand corner of the screen and then you tap on new. Now the first thing to do when you get over here is to add your customer's name. Now you would notice that after adding the customer's name that the payment is due, you would notice that Zoho book automatically brings out the date of this particular customer. All you need to do is to check on the box to acknowledge that it's the same payment that we are talking about. Now if you have any bank charges on this particular payment, you can go ahead now and add it, and if you want to change the date, you can also do that, but mine was on the same day it was due, so there was no need for a change. Now my payment mode was in cash and it was deposited to petty cash. Now you can go ahead and change yours, but that is mine. Now was there any tax deducted for this transaction? If it was yes, you want to tap on yes. If it was no, like mine, you want to tap on no. Now on the unpaid invoice, you can actually see some details about the invoice that was unpaid by our customer. You want to scroll down and decide if you would like to email thank you to this your customer for payment received or not. You can check that box on or uncheck, and then you will save. Now this is what a recorded payment should look like, and we're going to head back over to invoice just to check if the payment due was actually recorded. And as you can see, the payment has already been cleared from our invoice, and this is how easy it is to record payments and apply them to invoice. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.